Garlic, with its pungent aroma and distinct flavor, offers a wide range of health benefits. Packed with nutrients like vitamin B6 and C, manganese, selenium, and fiber, garlic is a nutritional powerhouse. One of its most notable benefits is its potential to support a healthy immune system. Garlic is known for its antimicrobial properties which can help fight off infections and boost immune function. It may also have a cardiovascular benefits by lowering blood pressure and reduce LDL cholesterol levels. Garlic's anti-inflammatory properties contribute to its potential to improve conditions such as arthritis and promote overall joint health. Additionally, garlic contains compounds that may have anti-cancer properties, protecting against certain types of cancer. With its many health benefits, garlic is not just a flavorful ingredient but also a natural remedy that can enhance our overall well being. Thanks.